Good day everyone, especially to you Ma'am Giselle. I'm Carlos BJA Belando and I'm going to deliver a speech that made by Subesh Shakadka with the title of The Art of Believing in Yourself. Have we ever thought, what do I really like? What do I want to do? What do I want to give to my society or as an individual? This one question I would like everyone to ask yourselves. What am I really good at as individual? Because we hardly think about ourselves, but we are always contemplating what others are going to think about us. And when it comes to this particular thought process, we're always there trying to impress others. But to all the girls and boys out there, I would like to tell you all, who do you like? Have you ever thought about it? We are always worried about how to impress our friends, how to impress our girlfriends or boyfriends, more than trying to impress ourselves. Because we should never forget that we are our own competition. We should be more competitive with ourselves because it's one life that we get. It's the one moment that we live. So we always think of different ways, but sometimes put ourselves on an edge. When someone's pushing you, that's when you realize your potential. In the beginning, I said, we don't believe in ourselves. Come on, if you don't believe in yourself, how's everyone around you going to believe in you, right? So start believing in your potential if you want to do something. If you want to do something, go for it. If you think you're good at singing, if you're good at dancing, start taking classes. Sharpen the talents that you have. Sharpen the talent that you have and polish the things that you're weak in. Because no one's perfect. It's practice, perseverance, and consistency. That make a person a better human and a better version of who you were yesterday. So this journey of grade 11 and 12, you're nurtured by your teacher. You're taken care of. Every small things is looked at, right? But as soon as you move out of this college, out of this is boundary. Like, what's going to happen? You're going to face the real world, right? So when a teacher asks you a question in your school, in your class, make sure that you continue to answer. Give a wrong answer. It's always good to make mistakes. Makes as many mistakes here in this place. In your comfort zone. Because once you move outside of this boundary, you'll be challenged by this world. So do whatever you want to do because opportunity just knocks once. So grab that opportunity. Go for it. Don't wait for tomorrow or wait for the time when you will be the perfect. Because this is the moment we're going to live in. And this is going to be remarkable one for all of us, for all of you. So take the chances. Make the most of out the opportunities that given to us. The world has become much easier place. But yet, if we change our mindset, if we change the way we think and take everything as it comes, then it's going to be a very easy and beautiful journey for you, for us, because it's all the mind that make it difficult. So don't underestimate the being that you are, because everybody in this world is here with a mission and also with a vision. And thank you.